Are you struggling to get views because you don't know your niche? You are not alone. Picking the right niche is the secret that separates the successful YouTubers from those who fail. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find your niche and stand out on YouTube. The first thing first you need to do is to discover what you love. Your content should reflect your passion. If you discover what you love, no matter what happens, you will keep on showing up. Because if you choose something you are not passionate about, you will definitely leave it halfway. Even in school, if you study something you don't have love, there are 99% chances that you will not complete. Because if you love what you are doing, it will be easier for you to stay consistent. Yes, after you have discovered what you love and now you have known it, the next thing to do is know your audience. Who do I want to help and entertain? Narrow your niche down. Make sure your content targets a specific audience. Don't post video randomly. Today you are into entertainment. Tomorrow you are into educational videos. The next day you are into tech review. The next you are into travel. No, you are confusing the algorithm, and in doing so, you don't have any audience because you want to be everywhere at the wrong time. Understand your audience problem, interests, what they are interested about, and what keep them watching. What is that video that if you do, your audience will sit down to watch your content? You have to find it. You have to discover it. Because if you don't discover it, you'll be posting video and you will not see any result. And if you are not seeing result, there are chances that you will give up. After you have discovered what you love, you have known your audience. Now, the third is check the competitions. Check the competition, the niche that you're into. Check how the competition is. See what is already working in that niche. After you have seen what is working on that niche, then you find an angle that makes you different. But when you are just starting, apply those things that are working. After you have gained momentum, then you can craft an angle and stand out. After that, the number 4 is test and adjust. You have to test and adjust. Don't overthink at the start. Don't think too much, because if you are consistent on YouTube watching other people, you might have that tendency of overthinking. Why? Because someone will just post a video and in less than 2-3 hours you will come back and check that video. That person have gotten about thousands of views, of which you are uploading, you are not seeing that same result. The truth is that person have been on YouTube more than you. Don't overthink that you want to become like that person overnight. You will not become like that person overnight. But with time, there is a time and season unto man for his rising. There is time for you. Upload contents, see what is working. Test some videos within your niche and see the particular one that has the high view and stick to that category of videos. Start doing videos like that. Don't just burn. If you are into entertainment, don't just burn on entertainment. Check if you are entertaining. Who are you entertaining? Are you entertaining kids? Are you entertaining celebrities? Are you entertaining fathers? Are you entertaining mothers? So you have to narrow it. Check within that same entertainment and know what is working. You might come with a focus that you want to entertain students, but upon uploading videos, you realize that entertaining students is not working for you, but entertaining celebrities will instead be the one working. You get? By you testing, you realize the one that is working. And the last point is you stick with it. Yes, stick with it. You have tested, you have known that this one is working. Stick to it. Don't switch niche too quickly. Yes, don't just say, okay, today I want to do vlog, my traveling vlog. You started a channel with traveling vlog because you realize that traveling vlog is not working. You just switch to entertainment, and if you realize that entertainment is not working for a month, 1 or 2 months, you now switch to YouTube growth. If YouTube group is not working, you now switch to automation. You are just confused. You are confused. So stick to one niche. Test other sub niches within that niche, other sub niches, and find your angle to stand out. Let your audience grow with you. There are people that will subscribe to your channel for life because you are giving them, you are impacting them with value. By the time you're giving them that value, they will know that this person is worth following. Your niche is your foundation. It defines your channel's identity and growth path. Take the time to find it, experiment and refine. If you want step-by-step tips to grow as a YouTuber, subscribe to Grow with Kevin. Let's build your channel together.